Yeah, so now I will rename it as the submission form. It will sum up, and now as you can see, this tag should be here, because here we need to create another form that will do the submission for us. It should not have any action for now. Here I created a sample form. Now I will create my first input field, that is the text, and placeholder should be a, and then here I will assign it a name of a as well, because I want to take two integers and sum them up in the output. And here is the other input field that will have something called placeholder. Placeholder is b, and the name is also equals to b. Yeah, and yeah, this is an error. Now it's fine. Now I will refresh and load. Here are our a and b, and I will add a plus symbol here and a equal to symbol here. Refresh, and now you can see our equation part is ready. So for now, how can we show the output? So I will create something called output, not like that, like this output. Yeah, put, and its name will be equals to x is the result of true. And now I will ask it for a plus, a plus b, it's for a plus b. And now come here I will assign it a value. I don't think I will need the value. If there will be an error, I will add the value as well. Now here I will write on input, means that any input change or any new input is provided, our function will work like x value equals to value of this one should be equals to a, no, like that %, because this is taking the string type, I mean the text, normal text, so it can be anything, but it should be a number in our case, because we want to sum this up and only numbers can sum. So now it's here, and here I will pass a value plus parse in dot p dot value. And now let's test our code. If it works, that would be the awesome thing. Yeah, it's working, and it's having error because we don't provided any value to the b. And now you can see our summing thing is working. And that's it for today's lecture. But yeah, I will show you one more thing, that is, you can see here on our, here I will create another form. For example, create a form, and the form will be form, and the form will have the action, and action should be on click of the form. Let's move to the list.html, or you can also add an external link if you want. And here I will create the input as I promised for the submit thing. So now let's come back here. I will assign it a value as well. Value equals submit, so we can have a text like a button input. Yeah, here you can see, and if I click this, I'm on my list page. So this is how the forms work. So be there with me for the next lecture. In the next lecture we will cover the important semantic markups, and then there is the tags like HTML5 tags. That's a small lecture, we will cover it in 5 minutes hopefully. Then there is advanced formatting lecture, that is a long lecture, and then we will cover the HTML tables in the end, and we will be in the CSS after that. So let's take the next part, and then we will do the CSS hopefully.